I'm making millet balls made out of roasted ragi powder. So these are good snacks which will keep your hunger pangs away for at least couple of hours, and it takes about 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes to make. So let me just show you that. I'm taking 3 tablespoons of the roasted ragi powder, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and about 1 tablespoon of fresh coconut. These are fresh frozen coconut which I defrosted. So I have this, and to this I add the milk little by little. So okay, we got it mixed properly with. So now you can take a small amount depending on the size you want. You can make them into balls or eat them as is. So this can be one ball here, or this size, or either this size. So you can make any size balls you like, and you can have them as a good snack.